In today's video, I am going to teach you how to edit Shopify footer. Start by logging into your Shopify admin. Once you are in your dashboard, look at the left-hand navigation menu and find Online Store. Click Online Store and then select Themes. This is where you control the design and layout of your storefront. On the Themes page, make sure you are working with your active theme, since that is the one customers see. Next to that theme, click Customize. This will open the theme editor, which lets you make changes while previewing them at the same time. Now focus on the left-hand sidebar inside the theme editor. This sidebar lists the sections of your store layout. Scroll if needed, then click Footer. When you click Footer, you will see settings and content options specific to the bottom area of your website. To add new content to the footer, click Add Block. This is how you insert extra elements. Choose the type of block you want, such as a text block for a short message, store details, or links, or a newsletter block if you want customers to subscribe to updates. After you add a block, click into it to edit the content so it matches your brand and stays easy to read. Keep footer text short and clear, since most visitors will scan this area quickly. Next, review the footer options that use toggle checkboxes. Turn on Show Payment Icons if you want to display accepted payment methods. Enable Show Social Media Icons if you want quick links to your social profiles. If your store sells internationally, you can also enable a language or country selector, so visitors can switch to the correct region or language where available. After that, adjust the layout settings in the same sidebar. Look for options like Color Scheme to match your footer to the rest of your theme, and Top Margin to control spacing above the footer. Small spacing changes can make the footer feel cleaner and more balanced, especially on mobile. When you are satisfied with how everything looks in the preview, click Save. Always save before leaving the editor to make sure your changes go live. That covers everything you need to know.